article writing dead here in Kenya? Many people ask this question, but the answer is no. Article writing is still there. People still make money out of it, and the best way to go about it is buying an account. Guys, when it comes to easy jobs writing online, having an account is very important. Yes, accounts are expensive, but this is the only way you can make it big. Our tunaonanga wanafanyanga writing and they have a good life, they have money. Si tu wanakanga tu hivi wakikojea, oh nitapata job so happy. No, they actually go ahead and invest, buy an account. The very first time I bought an academic writing account was Higher Writers. And guys, it's not the Higher Writers Kenyan one. I know there is a Kenyan website that call themselves Higher Writers. See here, please, see here. This is a US one and you actually buy it. Higher Writers, it was very good. I used to write so many articles and make good money. I went to Textbroker. No, when it comes to article writing, nimenunua tu your Higher Writers ya US and Textbroker. When it comes to Textbrokers, I have bought both Level 4 and Level 3. Actually, for Level 3 nilifunguniwangwa, and Level 4 I bought them and they are both very good and they have jobs. So if you want to start article writing here in Kenya, usiogope kununua an account. Account ndo zinakwanga na do. Yep. Because again, a person with an account atenda chukua your account at 10 USD, akuja kupenda 2 or 300 and they eat the profit. If they have like 5 people writing for them, na each person write 2 articles for them on a daily basis, watakuwa poa, then have made their profit. And how do you start? Kama unataka kufanya article writing, the very first step ni kujifunza. Know how these articles are written. Guys, I have been in this industry and I have been doing this YouTube consistently for 2 years now. And many people wanakujanga wanakwambia they know how to write, but they actually don't know. And that's how you get stranded and stuck for a whole year claiming hakuna jobs, but jobs ziko, but hutaki kujituma, hutaki kunipa msia kutrain. I actually don't train article writing, but there are people who train article writing out there. Hutaki kunipa yo msia akutrain because you think anataka kupibia do. And guys, if you want to get into this industry or any other industry, just pay a person to train you. It's as easy as that. And there are people who say, oh, that's a lot of money that you're asking, because again, I know the value and the time and the effort that it takes to train someone. Anyway guys, I was just here talking about if article writing is dead here in Kenya, and the answer is no. Haijakufa, bado iko, and people still make money here. Anyway guys, that is it for this short video, and I'll see you in my next one. Kindly subscribe, like and share.